Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update Windscribe VPN in 2026. Keeping Windscribe updated ensures you have the latest security patches, new features, and the best possible performance. First, open the Windscribe application on your computer or mobile device. Next, sign in to your Windscribe account if you aren't already logged in. Now open the Settings or About section to check your current app version. Next, look for a Check for Updates option if your version of Windscribe includes one. Now, if an update is available, click the Update button and wait for the download to begin. Next, allow the installation to complete without closing the application. If you're using a mobile device, open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Windscribe, and tap Update if a newer version is available. Now restart the Windscribe app after the update finishes to apply all the latest changes. Next, reconnect to your preferred VPN server and confirm that everything is working correctly. Finally, enable automatic updates if the option is available so you always receive the latest security and performance improvements. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to update Windscribe VPN. Your app is now running the latest version with improved security, stability, and new features. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.